Hi guys, welcome to Larry Run channel. Today we are going to run at the so-called OCBC Arena, and we're going towards the towns area. I think most probably 8 to 10 kilometers. So today weather is very good. There's no raining, very cloudy, no sun. So it's good condition to run and less wind, and hopefully it will stay until end of the day after our workout. Alright, see here. This is almost back of the arena. The entrance is in front. Now we are at the entrance of OCBC. Okay, I'm still waiting for my friends, so we're able to run together before we meet another friend at 5 PM. Okay, so from there we'll continue running to the city and see what you discover at the city. Alright? Hi Downies! What?
可以去吗？
不可以，
真的啊？
真的。Arena is closing. They are not for the so-called the public. I already called. So don't waste your time. Yeah. No, you can't. Now for your information, OCBC Arena is haven't open for public use. They only cater for people who are so-called booking the area inside, like those badminton court or so on, but not for the public at the moment. Only for those people who have registered earlier for booking. My friend tried luck to ask whether can use the so-called facilities, something like toilet to change. She's coming up. See. Oh my god. What happened? Okay, what is the result? What did she tell you?
You say only got booking this head.
Yeah, that means I correct. Alright. Okay. Never mind. Let's. Now we are at the KTP. Close on the side here. So we need to walk all the way another entrance to go in. Pattern here, the MRT ahead, so you can see the car park. This one is the main entrance. Hopefully can go in and put our things barang-barang. I believe can, possible. Got one guy walking towards the home of athletics, where all those runners, fast runners, track runners, all those track and field, all will come and train over here. See my dear friend here? Cross. Shortcut. See? Wow. Okay, remember to scan before you go in. Okay. So, hi guys. Wow, long time no see. Oh, wow. Leng, how are you? You survived, and you're very lucky. Your locker still on, Okay, area.
Water cooler, right?
Yeah, water cooler, whatever. You also got one cooler here already. You still need, man. Let's go, let's go. You just follow me. Okay. Today we are going to run aerobic run. Slow only, okay. But the weather is getting darker. That's my concern. But anyway, we still run, whether it's shine or rain. Alright. look like going to rain. Just a wind, but we have a shelter, should be not a problem. Right, keep going. Woohoo! Woo. The wind are blowing. If you same for the side there, they are start to rain already. Alright, come on, we have. Jayo, jayo! Alright, this is the first shelter. Raining start already. Cooling, right? Yeah. Go, go, go. Slow already, yeah.
Yeah, I want to run.
Water, water. We are heading back to OCBC Arena. After the 4 km, we turn back to complete our run for today. It's called Aerobic Run. So you have 1 hour to complete. Okay, see you in 1 hour time. Good luck. 加油加油! Hi guys, that's all for today, my videos. So today with the raining, all this, it's a good experience, and we finished at 8 km, and my friends also complete 13 km. I can see here. Alright.
Bye.
Yeah, congratulations. Alright. So if you like my channel, please subscribe, share, and don't forget to ring a bell. You can get the next video from me. Bye bye.